Hello viewers. So in this session I am going to do applications of dimensional analysis. So till now we will discuss about dimensions and we know how to write the dimensional formula of a particular physical quantity. So today I am going to tell you what is the use of dimensions. Okay, so here I have written 3 applications of dimensional analysis. So the first application is to convert a given physical quantity from one system of units to another system of units. Suppose if I want to convert a given physical quantity from MK system to CGS system. So now you can ask me, what is MK system? MKS system, or which is nothing but SI system. So MKS anta helidre MKS alli ನಾವು suppose if I want to measure any physical quantity in MKS system, for example, if I want to measure 1 kg sugar, so here I am writing 1 kg sugar. So the quantity of sugar is 1 kg anta tagondre, so I can say this unit is in MKS system anta heltini. So here M represents meter. Suppose if I want to measure the distance between 2 points or length between 2 points, I have to write or I have to measure the particular quantity with its unit. So that unit is meter here. So length na now meter in the measure martivi. K represents kilogram here and S represents second here. So length in a meter in the and mass in a kilogram in the, that is kg. Okay, and time in a second in the measure martira. Ade nanu CGS system alli measure ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so here I have to write that quantity is equals to 1000 gram. If I know 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, then I can write in CGS unit. So this is what we say CGS unit or CGS system ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ CGS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಸನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಟೈಮನ್ನು ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ CGS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಮೀಟರ್, ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್; ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. Clear? Okay then, so here this is the first application of dimensional analysis. So to convert a given physical quantity from one system of units to another system of units. So one system inda ಇನ್ನೊಂದು system of unit ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, with the help of dimensions we are going to convert. Okay, and the second application is to check the correctness of the equation. Suppose ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು equation ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. For example, I am having F is equals to ma. So this is my force expression, right? According to Newton's second law, F is equals to ma ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮೂಲಕನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ dimensional analysis. Similarly, to derive a relationship between different physical quantities. So ನಾವು different physical quantities ಮಧ್ಯ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 3 applications we have in dimensions. Okay, so first let me tell you how we are going to convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to another system of unit. Okay, so for that I am going to consider again some quantity of sugar here, so which I am going to measure in terms of kg. So let me consider Q is equals to 1 kg here. Okay, so quantity of sugar I have taken is Q is equals to 1 kg. If I don't know this quantity is equals to how much gram, so if I know, we'll write it directly here. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, so this is the MKS system and this is the CGS system. But if I have this quantity of sugar is equals to 1 kg and if I want to convert this sugar which is in MKS system to CGS system, then I have a particular formula, then I have a particular procedure. By using that procedure only, I am going to convert a given physical quantity from MKS system to CGS system here. Clear? Okay, then quantity is equals to 1 kg anta ide. So this quantity 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram and this is always a constant. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು 1 kg ಶುಗರ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಬಾಟ್ 1 kg ಶುಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 month. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 month ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶುಗರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ 1 kg ಇದ್ದರೆ 1 kgನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ಯಾಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram is equals to ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ is equals to N1 U1 is equals to N2 U2 is equals to constant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Where N1 represents the numerical value, U1 represents the size of the unit and N2 represents the numerical value, U2 represents the size of the unit here. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ, N1 numerical value ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ N2 is 1000 here, numerical value N1 is only 1 here. So obviously this numerical value is larger compared to this numerical value. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Here numerical value is less but it will have large size of the unit. Okay, so N1 UN is equals to N2 U2 ನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 1 kg is equals to 1000 ಗ್ರಾಮೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, I don't know 1 kg is equals to how much gram. If I want to find 1 kg is equals to how much gram here, then I have to use a particular formula. So I'm going to explain you. I'm going to derive that formula here. Okay, by using that formula I can easily find 1 kg is equals to how much gram, 1 meter is equals to how much centimeter, 1 newton is equals to how much dyne, 1 unit of energy, that is 1 joule is equals to how much erg. Okay, okay then. So here, see, if I know N1 is equals to 1 kg, U1 is equals to, sorry, N1 is equals to 1, U1 is equals to kilogram anta gottu, but I don't know the value of N. Okay, so let question mark here. Okay, let me put question mark and U2 is size of the unit gram gottide anta anಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so for that I am going to consider, let M1, L1 and T1 are the mass, length, okay, and time are the mass, length and time for the size of the unit, for the size of the unit U1, for the size of the unit U1. Similarly, let M2, L2, T2 are the mass, length and time for the size of the unit U2. Okay, so now I am going to write this as, see here, N1 will be the numerical value for me, okay, N1, and M1, L1, T1 are the size of the units U1. So here I am going to write M1, L1 and T1 is equals to, okay, N2 I have to find here, and M2, L2 and T2 with the size of the units T2. Okay, and we know that dimensions are nothing but they are the powers. Okay, they are the powers of a fundamental physical quantity. ಒಂದು physical quantityನ ನೀವು represent ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ with the help of dimensions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅದು powers ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ physical quantity ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್? ಫೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು 1 ಎಲ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು 1 ಟಿ ರೈಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪವರ್? 1 ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, ಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ -2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೇಸ್ಡ್ ಟು represent that quantity completely. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ಸೇ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ m⁻⁴ l1⁻⁵ t1⁻⁶ ಆರ್ ದ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅದೇ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಶುಗರ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 1 kg = 1000 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೆ ಜಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಸೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕೆ ಜಿನೂ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರಾಮು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನೋ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಜನರಲ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎರಡೂ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಸೇಮೇ, ಇದು ಮಾಸೆ ಇದು ಮಾಸೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ನಾನು ಕೆ ಜಿಯಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ನಾನು ಗ್ರಾಮಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಬಟ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ like this only. okay, so now ಈ n2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು n1 ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ n2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ n1 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ n2 ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ n1 ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ n2 ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಈ n2ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ n2 = ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರೋ, n2 is equals to n1 into m1⁻⁴ l1⁻⁵ t1⁻⁶ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, n2 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. n2 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ m2 l2 t2⁻⁴ c. clear? So therefore m1⁻⁴ l1⁻⁵ t1⁻⁶ m2⁻⁴ l2⁻⁵ t2⁻⁶. So therefore n2 is given by the formula, see here, n2 is equals to n1 into m1⁻⁴ m2⁻⁴ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ m1 divided by m2⁻⁴ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, l1 divided by l2⁻⁵b ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, t1 divided by t2⁻⁶ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ n2 is equals to n1 into, so let me write it here because I need this formula for further problems. Okay, n2 is equals to n1 into m1 divided by m2⁻⁴. Similarly l1 divided by l2⁻⁵b and t1 divided by t2⁻⁶. So this is the formula to calculate the second numerical value if I don't know. Okay, fine then. So this is the general formula. So let me solve it practically so that you can be able to understand that how we are going to convert a given physical quantity from one system of unit to another system of unit here. Okay, fine then. So let me convert 1 Newton into Dyne. Okay, so you may get a question in your upcoming examinations that convert a given physical quantity or convert 1 Newton into Dyne anta kodtane, or convert 1 Newton into new system of unit antanu kodtane ಆಯ್ತಾ. 1 Newton into Dyne, convert 1 Newton into Dyne or convert 1 Newton into new system of units antanu kelbodu ಆಯ್ತಾ. So here I am going to convert 1 Newton into Dyne. So first of all I should know, like before solving I should know what is 1 Newton here. So 1 Newton is nothing but it is the unit of force. Okay, it is the SI unit of force. Then what is dyne then? Dyne will be the CGS unit of force here. Okay, fine. So here let me write, let Newton will be, let Newton is the SI unit of force, SI unit of force, and dyne is the CGS unit of force. Dyne is the CGS unit of force. Okay. So now first let me write the dimensions of force here, because by using dimensions only I am going to convert a given physical quantity, that is 1 Newton into dyne. So first I have to write the dimensions of force, because unit of force is Newton. Here they have given to convert 1 Newton into dyne. So I am writing the dimensions of force, or dimensional formula of force. So dimensional formula of force is given by m raised to 1, L raised to 1 and t raised to minus 2 here. So therefore A is equals to 1 here, B is equals to 1 and C is equals to minus 2. Okay, so why I am writing here? Because I have to put the values of A, B, C in that formula to get a given system of unit from 1 Newton to dyne. Okay, so now let me write the dimensions in MKS system as well as in CGS system. Okay, so let me write here MKS, which is in SI also, and this is CGS unit. Okay, CGS unit. Fine then. So N1 is equals to how much here? N1 is equals to 1, numerical value 1 Newton is given. So I don't know 1 Newton is equals to how much dyne, but I have to find 1 Newton is equals to how much dyne here by using that formula. So here I am writing the value N1, which is given, numerical value is given, N1 is equals to 1. Okay, okay, then what is M1 here? M1, see, mass can be represented in terms of kg, so 1 kg. Okay, and then we are having length L1, that is 1 meter. Clear? And T1 is 1 second. Similarly, what is the value of N2? I don't know the value of N2. I don't know 1 Newton is equals to how much dyne. So N2 is equals to, put question mark here. Then what is the value of M2? M2 mass can be measured in terms of gram in CGS unit. So I have to represent with the small g here. And L2 will be the length here, which can be measured in terms of centimeter in CGS unit, right? And then time T2, which can be measured in terms of second. Okay, so itara barkondre nimige easy agate, so that I am writing these things here. Otherwise, if you want to find directly, you can. Fine then. So here I am going to apply that formula. So let me write that formula first. So here we'll write A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1 and C is equals to minus 2. So idaniki beku hagagi nanu illi itkondidini. Okay na? So now I am going to apply that formula. So you can see that formula clearly. So I am writing the direct values here. So here N2 is equals to, what is the value of N1? N1 is 1, okay, and what is the value of M1? M1 is 1 kg divided by, what is M2? M2 is gram, so 1 gram raised to A is equals to 1 into L1 by L2 raised to B. L1 is 1 meter, L2 is 1 centimeter. So here, okay, gram, okay, L2 is L1 is 1 meter divided by 1 centimeter. Okay, just I am substituting the values in that formula. Okay, which is raised to B is equals to 1. And next we are having time. Here also you are having 1 second, 1 second, which is raised to -2. Clear? Okay, so now, so I know 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So these are the basic things. So I can easily remember here 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So write these things here. So you're just converting kg into gram. Okay, so therefore we'll write 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram divided by 1 gram, and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter divided by centimeter. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second gets cancelled and you get 1 itself. 1 by 1 is 1 raised to -2. 1 raised to anything adru 1 agate nimige. Okay, so here gram, gram, centimeter, centimeter gets cancelled, and you are having 1000 and here you are having 100. So for 1000 we'll write 10 cube. Okay, 1000 is equals to 10 cube, and for 100 we'll write 10 square. Okay, so ಎಷ್ಟು zeros ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಪವರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ 3 0 ಇದೆ, 3 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 0 ಇದೆ, 2 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 1 ರೈಸ್ ಟು -2 ಇದೆ. 1 ರೈಸ್ ಟು -2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, 1 by 1 ಇಸ್ 1 ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, 1 ಇಂಟು ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಗ 10 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ, 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. 10 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಂಟು 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಪವರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಈ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪವರ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3 + 2 is 5. ಸೊ 10 raised to 5. So here N2 value is how much? N2 value is 10 raised to 5. So ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ N1 U1 is equals to N2 U2 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. N1 ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? N1 is given already, 1 Newton ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. 1 Newton, numerical value is 1. N1 is equals to 1 here, and U1 is Newton, that is the size of the unit. So N2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ? 10 raised to 5. Size of the unit ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, Dyne ಅಂತ. So 1 Newton is equals to how much Dyne here? 1 Newton is equals to 10 raised to 5 Dyne. So here we have convert 1 Newton into 10 raised to 5 Dyne from one system of unit to another system of unit. Newton is the SI unit of force or MKS unit of force, whereas Dyne is the CGS unit. So 1 Newton is equals to ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 raised to 5 ಡೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ how to convert a given physical quantity from one system of unit to another system of unit. Only by practicing you can be able to convert a given physical quantity from one system to another system. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you. Okay, fine then. So only the thing is you have to understand the concept and you should do simplification. Here you will get the answer. Clear? Okay. Similarly, I am going to consider one more example here, that is Joule to erg. Okay, suppose if the examiner asks you to convert a given physical quantity work which is having a unit Joule to erg or new system of unit. Okay, so convert 1 Joule, convert 1 Joule to erg. Okay, see here 1 Joule. Joule is the SI unit of work or energy. Okay. So here you have to convert the SI unit into CGS unit. Okay. So unit of energy in CGS unit is erg. So to convert a given physical quantity from joule to erg, first I have to write the dimensions of energy here, because joule is the SI unit of energy. So I have to write the dimensions of energy here. So first let me write the dimensional formula for energy. So dimensional formula of energy is ml square t minus 2, or m raised to 1, l raised to 2, t raised to minus 2, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 2. Okay. So then I'm going to write the formula directly here. So before that we'll going to separate the units from MKS to CGS. So in MKS, okay, we'll write MKS here, and this is my CGS unit. Okay. Okay. So here, what is the value of N1? N1 is equals to 1. What is the value of M1? M1 is mass, which is represented in terms of kg in MKS system. L1 is 1 meter and T1 is 1 second. Okay, so this is direct agi. And what is the value of N2? N2, I don't know, that I have to find here, because I don't know 1 joule is equals to how much erg. Okay then, so what is M2? 1 gram. L2 is 1 centimeter. Okay, and T2 is 1 second. Why I am writing gram, centimeter, second? Because I am writing the units of mass, length and time in CGS unit. CGS, C represents centimeter, G represents gram and S represents seconds here, whereas M represents meter, K represents kilogram, S represents second here. So idu one kade aita. Now we will directly apply that formula to convert 1 joule to some numerical value into erg. Okay, so therefore N2 is equals to N1 into M1 by M2 raised to A, L1 by L2 raised to B, T1 by T2 raised to C. This is equals to value of N1. Value of N1 is 1, M1 is 1 kg. So 1, M1 is 1 kg divided by M2 value is 1 gram here, which is raised to 1. A is equals to 1. Okay, so what is the value of L1? L1 is 1 meter divided by 1 centimeter raised to B. B is equals to 2 here, and T1 is 1 second, T2 is also 1 second, which is raised to C. C is equals to minus 2. So therefore, again here I have to convert 1 gram into 1 kilogram into gram. So I know the value of 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram divided by 1 gram into 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter into 1 second by 1 second is 1 raised to minus 2. Idu 1 agatte. So this is 1 itself. And 1 into anything is anything itself. Okay, then this is equals to 100. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ square ಇದೆ, square ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. Okay, so 1 gram, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 centimeter gets cancel. ಆ unit ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore 1000 ನಾನು in terms of powers ಬರಿತೀನಿ, 10 cube ಅಂತ into, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು, 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 10 ರೈಸ್ ಟು 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 2s are 4. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 cube 10 raised to 4 ಇದೆ. So 10 cube into 10 raised to 4. Again I have to add the powers here. So powers ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 plus 4 is equals to 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. N2 is equals to 10 raised to 7. N2 is equals to 10 raised to 7. So here I can say that 1 joule is equals to 10 raised to 7.